Oh! Hey! What are you doing? What are you looking at? Oh. Oh. I see. You're angry. You're stressed out. You want to escape that pathetic excuse for a world you live in. Don't you? Well, I guess you came to the right place. Because do you know who I am? I am Trevor Philips of Trevor Philips Enterprises. I make people feel better. I make people feel better. See, in your world, you can't do whatever you want. But in my world, you can. You hear me? You can do whatever you want. If you want explosions, we have lots of explosions. You want guns? We got lots of them. They cause more explosions too. You see, in our world, there are no rules. You make the rules. You can do whatever you want, whenever you want. No one's ever going to say anything about it. And see, in your world, you can't do that. You can't go and blow things up just because you purely feel like it. That's the beauty of this. Everything you can and will do is untraceable. It won't come back to you. What are you waiting for, you uncultured swine? I'm about to prescribe you some therapy. Because I'm the most therapeutic person I know. You playing as me will make you less angry, make you less stressed about these real world problems that you can just escape. You know what? Like how? All you have to do is one simple thing. Go out to the store right now and go buy a copy of Grand Theft Auto 5. And play as me, Trevor Philips, and you'll be feeling much better very soon. You'll be able to do whatever you want, whenever you want. I'm Trevor Philips, and I approve this